Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A former Triple C leader Nelson Chamisa says Zimbabwe is currently undergoing a multifaceted transition spanning generational, ideological, demographic, political, and spiritual dimensions. In a statement released today, Chamisa said that the nation's shift represents more than a change of government, describing it as a protracted journey marked by struggle, perseverance, and hope that will redefine the country's future. Zimbabwe is in a season of transition, Chamisa said. It's been a long, protracted, and delayed transition. The Lord and the citizens of Zimbabwe have entrusted us with a sacred responsibility to help shape the future of our nation. We will not betray that trust, he ended. The opposition leader emphasized that despite economic and social challenges, there is a conviction that the country is being redirected toward a new destiny. Despite the challenges we may encounter, we remain steadfast in our conviction that God is redirecting the course of Zimbabwe permanently and for the better, he said. The statement concluded with a call for unity and steadfastness among citizens as the country navigates what Chamisa themed #the new chapter in its development. May we remain faithful to this calling, courageous in our service, and united in our commitment to building the new and great Zimbabwe we desire and deserve, Chamisa said. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.